Hello everyone, this is Cynthia. How are you today? This time I'm gonna cook spicy boiled fish. First step, we need to go to a supermarket to buy the seasoning of fish. There are a lot of kind of seasoning. The preferred one is 白家 brand. It's famous in China. Cut bass fillet into small pieces. The bass fillet I bought in the Chinese supermarket. If you cannot find it, you can replace it with the cod fillets instead, cause they don't have bones.
Fish in a stainless steel bowl. Open the seasoning packet. You're gonna see 3 seasoning packets in total. The first one is a marinating packet, a dried chili flake packet, and a sauce soup base. Sprinkle the marinating packet onto the fish meat. Stir well to coat all the pieces evenly. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. While waiting for the meat to marinate, we're going to put the sauce soup base into boiling water. And now we have the spicy soup. Next, put the bean sprouts into the pot.
Boiled bean sprouts for 2 minutes. Scoop out bean sprouts in a bowl. I prefer stainless steel one. Now it's time to boil the fish. Put all the fishes in the chili soup. Take another 8 minutes after it started to boil. If the meat is white, it means it's well cooked. Remove the fish from the pot. Put on top of the bean sprouts. Pour the soup into the bowl. Now we use a small pot to heat the oil. Put chili flakes onto the fish. When the oil starts smoking, it means it's hot enough. Pour the oil into the chili flakes. It's gonna smell very good. Boiled chili fish is done. Thank you for your watching. This is Cynthia. See you next time.